Reporting live from James Bowie High School, you're watching JBHS News in the Morning with Jacob Burgundy, Ryan Fantana, and Andrew Mantu. Over the past couple weeks, we've had an exclusive reporter conduct a survey on food trends throughout the population of Bowie. Using convenience and stratified sampling, we surveyed over 100 students in 5 diverse Bowie classes ranging from freshmen to seniors. The survey that the students were given is shown here.
Now, even though Chick-fil-A was closed for an extended period of time, 26% of Bowie students that we surveyed still said that's where they eat at the most during lunch, followed with Whataburger being a close second at 21%.
We believe that this is due to the fact that students still have walking access to Whataburger during lunch.
Even with Andy causing bumper-to-bumper traffic during lunch, we still see that 44 students said they drive their car off campus for lunch at least one day a week.
However, 64 students said that they couldn't drive off campus for lunch. This is including freshmen and sophomores, but still, that's 64% of the students we surveyed not driving off campus for lunch.
Now, if we were to look at the entire Bowie population, at least one day per week, there's a total of 1,042 students attempting to leave campus.
Looking at our histogram, 61 students said that they eat out for lunch at least one day per week, while 26 students said they didn't even eat out at lunch, which makes up 28.5% of the Bowie students that we surveyed not eating out for lunch.
Out of the 44 students who said that they go off campus for lunch, only 38 were juniors and seniors, which leaves us with 6 freshmen and sophomores driving off campus for lunch.
Now, our box and whisker plot shows that 25% of the students who either have second and sixth or third and seventh as an off period eat out 3.5 times per week, while students who don't have those classes as an off period only eat out 3 times per week.
Now, that came as to a shock at us, but we only had a range of 0 to 5 on our box and whisker plot because you only eat out 5 times per week. However, if we were to look at the overall average for most people at Bowie, 2.1% of them said they eat out for lunch. Now, for the box and whisker, for the people who did have those classes in off period, our minimum was 0, our Q1 was 1, our median was 2, our Q3 was 3.5, and our maximum was 5. Now for the students who don't have those classes in the off period, our minimum is still 0, our Q1 is 0.5, our median is 2, our Q3 is 3, and our max is 5.
With that data, we can conclude that the Bowie High School counselors are conspiring with the Illuminati trying to create a worldwide epidemic of obesity. On a real note, this shows that the correlation between having the 3rd and 7th or 2nd and 6th off period is that many students that do have those off periods tend to go off campus more for lunch than those who don't.
Now, for today's top story, are athletes eating out more or less than the average student? Well, today we have the answer that may shock the world.
Well, Ryan, the short answer is no. The data we collected shows that there is no correlation between how many hours of physical activity that people perform and how many times they eat out during lunch.
We were attempting to see if the amount of times a person went out for lunch affected how many hours of physical activity they did. Well, we were shocked to see that the greatest R-squared value we had was only 0.011, which means very little of the data was explained between the numbers. This could be due to the fact that our standard deviation was 6.7.
We wanted to take this to the administration to show them that many students, no matter what their lifestyle is, still will go off campus for lunch because of the lunches provided here. So if we can create healthy alternatives that students actually want to eat and keep kids on campus for lunch while still creating healthy alternatives to the fast food, we believe we can make a great change at Bowie.
Wow, Andrew, that's a great point.
Now signing off from JBHS News in the Morning, I'm Andrew Mantu.
I'm Ryan Fantana.
And Jacob Burgundy.
Thank you.